Tied into the water circuit are the sprinklers. I mentioned a minute ago that we've got front spray bar sprinkler, tire sprinklers, right seam, left seam. Those sprinklers are all controlled by this manifold right here on the side of the water tank. These are solenoid operated. They are there's little LED lights on top of these DIN connectors. So if I've got electrical signal on here, I can see that they're lit up. Makes it easy to diagnose a potential problem. So that's very handy. The lines are all color coded. It's a great addition, something that was an improvement we did based off of customer feedback. It's easy to look and figure out which one goes where on the machine by looking at the color coding. So I'm trying to identify this left seam, and I can see that right there I've got the yellow supply line. So I can come up here, and if I'm trying to diagnose that one, I know it's going to be this valve where the yellow supply line's coming in. Just comes back to our common theme of user-friendly. If there is a failure, and they do occur, how do we get the machine back operational as quickly as possible? Now, above the manifold, there are two solenoids. Those are electronic solenoids that are controlling the two air circuits, the only two air circuits that are on this system. Those two solenoids, they have Deutsch quick connectors on the other side. We've tried to use Deutsch connectors wherever possible in our electronic circuit. Very simple connectors to use, and they are IP rated sealed connectors. So those are right there, easy to get to. Those operate when those solenoids engage, they turn on the air circuit that either operates the rotary actuator on this or the rotary actuator on the additive circuit in the back. So that is the sprinkler system. I've got the red supply line feeding the manifold, and then each one of these are the color-coded circuits so we can figure out where we're at. Blue is front spray bar, green is right seam sprinkler, yellow is left seam sprinkler, and black is the tire sprinklers.